Welcome to TMC Newsroom. It's Carl Ford and your 4GWE guy, and I'm here with Emmanuel Walckenaer from Sierra Wireless. So I'm going to enjoy this conversation very much because it's right in my sweet spot of wireless technologies, and it's all about M2M today. So first of all, just in case somebody lives under a rock and doesn't know, tell us who Sierra Wireless is.
So Sierra Wireless is a specialized company in M2M and mobile computing. So we are a leader in that space. 900 people, all focused on marketing and R&D. We have 4 product lines. Just in a few seconds. So the first one is the AirCard product line, from mobile broadband devices.
Yep.
Just announced in last CES the Overdrive, with Sprint 4G Overdrive product.
Sounds good. I want one.
Yeah, 10 times faster than 3G. Very slick product. Super product. We're very happy about that. WiMAX and 4G. So this is AirCard. We have been awarded at the best provider. So we're very happy about that.
Right.
Second one is AirPrime. So this is much more about the M2M space.
Right.
So AirPrime, we have got these module ranges, from 2G to 3G, HDPA plus, and so on. Very wide range of modules.
Yep.
This has been actually the result of the combination of, Sierra have been acquiring Wavecom last year. So, merging Wavecom and Sierra, now we are very strong, very complementary companies and very strong, very tough work last year to combine both companies, but we are all set.
Okay.
So this is really the AirPrime product range. The third product range is AirLink, ruggedized gateways.
Okay.
Ruggedized routers, intelligent routers. We are number one in the US, very solid product line, expanding now in Europe and Asia. And the last business unit, which is the one I run, so the best one, is the AirVantage business unit. So it's all about solution. We have got a portal to enable the M2M solutions.
Great, and that's part of the announcements here, right? Is how you're using the portal with another company. So why don't you talk about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have been partnering with Redband. So Redband is one of the key players in the what we call OMADM, so device management software you put in the devices, either in the handset or in the module for the M2M, to have to enable device management on connected machines. So we have been doing for months some interoperability testing between our platform, the M2M operating platform, and their software. It's working perfectly, and we really need to have our platform device agnostic so that we can work with any type of devices. And that's our strategy, to be
agnostic.
Of course, works best with Sierra device, but has to work with any device. And this is very key for us. So we have been doing this partnership with Redband, very happy about that.
Okay, that makes sense. And given what you're saying about the configuration function and being able to support multiple solutions, you have another announcement that's associated with M2M solutions specifically.
Yeah. So the second announcement we made is with ARPCOM. So ARPCOM is actually satellite and terrestrial carrier.
Right.
So very active in the M2M space. So they have used our portal to do subscription management.
Right.
So it means that their customers with our portal can activate, deactivate, suspend. When it is device, 1,000 kilometers away, it's very nice to have these type of tools, to really manage, look at there's any abnormal airtime consumption, if a device getting crazy or whatsoever, or if you have got an idle device, you can detect that, so you've got threshold, you can really manage your fleet of devices. So this is one. The second one is related to device management and to get some remote diagnostic function. If there is something wrong, you have to find out whether it is the network, you have to find out whether it is the module, whether it is the asset, or if it is the device. So, I've seen here in the show some one-call resolution, type of thing. So, our vision is really a one-click resolution. I've got an issue, it's getting red, you click, and you really finding out what's going on there.
And when that's important, because in the M2M space, it's highly unlikely that the device is associated with a person to make the call. it's probably
absolutely.
right.
That's the whole issue. You know, when we got a problem, you know, sometimes it's thousands of kilometers away. Sometimes, you know, you have got hundreds of thousands of devices, you know, scattered in the country. So, you know, you need these type of tools to manage that.
You know, particularly satellite companies, they're normally for things that are remote. And,
yes.
You know,
most likely,
oil and
yes.
gas,
Absolutely.
those
Absolutely.
things. So the M2M stuff, is there a particular marketplace or a vertical industry that's really hot right now?
Sierra is very active in many different segments. So the automotive segment, we are extremely active there.
Okay.
By the way, there are, you know, Peugeot, which is French manufacturer.
I've heard of them. Yes.
Yeah, they are actually using our protocol as well to, you know, they've got some telematic boxes in their cars. So, you know, they are using our protocol, which is very secure. You know, we have been working for them for 2 years. They are torturing our, you know, our solution, and they're using our protocol to download, you know, software upgrades on their telematic boxes, you know, in their cars. So, and we are virtually working with, you know, I don't know, maybe 10 big car companies, you know, and they are now more and more active, not only on telematic boxes, but as well on, you know, entertainment, you know. So it's, you know, it's really boiling there. Second segment, which is very active, is smart metering. We can see many large-scale deployment of smart metering, so that, you know, you can have remotely the consumption, production if it is a solar panel, you know. So
yeah, France is actually very active right now.
Yeah, we are. I mean, France is very active. You can see as well some deployments in the US, in Italy, in Belgium, in Holland, in New Zealand. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of countries who are actually very active there. So this is you know, an area where, you know, of course we are in. And, you know, I mean, there are all those segments who are actually popping in. You know, you see these new B2C products, you know, the e-readers.
Right.
So, you know, this is pretty new. Connected PNDs, you know, 3 or 4 years ago, nobody was, you know, thinking about connecting PNDs so that you can actually download, you know, new stuff, get information. So have all these objects being now, you know, really connected online all the time. So, you know, who knows what is going to happen in, you know, in a few years.
Well, let's see. Let's talk again in October and let's see where we stand.
Absolutely.
Great.
Our pleasure.
Emmanuel, thanks so much.
Thank you very much.